Now, as far as with here, I'm waiting for it to cure. I put tape over it to allow the pancake to cure. I have permanent magnets down here, and I have to add a little bit more resin, and I'm holding it by the resin that is on there already, and temporary setting for it to cure. The same here, I have magnets here, under here. I've taped it so that I can preserve the resin. I have it in crystalline and hardener as far as gorilla glue, and I also have the permanent magnets that are actually repelling against one another, so they're trying to escape from one another. So I placed it inside of this tape so I can hold them in strings away from escaping from one another, and that magnetizes and sticks to the surfaces. So, and let's see. So I'm adding the capacitors thereafter. So I have the bicep here. Okay, so I had to wait to bend the segment. So what I did was I add the industrial glue here, and I waited to it cure a little bit and become rubbery so I could bend the fold for the bicep. And what I did was make it a little bit narrow so that it looked like a muscle. And I have the flat part of the forearm, and I curved this part to make it narrow for the hand. And yeah, see how the whole effect, the purpose of the pancake, so it may synchronize directly into the bicep. Directly into the bicep, see? So that it throw the energy from here to the bicep. And yeah. So I'm loving the way I have it. Now I got tape on here. I'm just holding it temporary because I also hardened the part that of this how can I say, elbow shield. And yeah. And oh, I forgot to say I used a waterproof, back glove. And yeah, I think it's nice. What do you think?